Yeah, you're late. Yeah.
Ano yeah, you're late. Hoy! Na-start ko na yung call! Ay, call? Yung video.
Hi guys! So this is
Hi!
the season 2 and Reyna may... Ay!
Ano ba
Ulit.
tawagin mo?
Ikat mo na lang yan, ikat mo na lang.
Ah.
So guys, this is the chapter 2 and Python forgot to
No! Wag mo na
post...
sabihin!
Okay,
Wag mo na sabihin kasi...
let's go guys!
Let's go!
Let's go bitches!
Oh yeah, ano, Zara, wag ka magsabi nega kasi meron madaming hate yan.
Oo na. Okay guys, let's go guys. Let's go, let's go. Let's
Tagal
go.
naman, tangina.
It's so tagal.
Grabe, ang ganda naman yung clip yun dyan si Yana. Tangina, bigla ko
Wait
na-delete.
lang!
Pew, 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 pew. Okay guys, we're gonna speedrun this. So, we gotta yeah. We gotta speedrun this shit. Ah.
Okay, wait lang. Wala kang donut.
Ha? Wala kang donut. Ay, kungin ng donut. Okay. Sana all. Sana all. Gagi. Yes, sir! For big guys! And I grab my toys, pull
Late
my
ka
gun.
nag-call. Dapat will tayo ng call.
Ha?
Dapat wag tayo nag-call eh. My lolo is here na.
Ay.
Pero okay lang.
For big guys, and I grab my toys, pull up my guns like the 4th of July. If they keep fucking my butt, then I might just cry. Put me in Siemens, in my eyes. Look back, I can come our friends. Scream out my dick, I'm so super saiyan when I got. Anyway. Like, hey, are you staying? And said, yeah, I'm not living. Ay! Yes, your float comes always living without breathing. You want my dick like a baby.
Naman, nakakanta naman.
Ha?
Wala!
Grabe, ang haba. Ay! Ay, ang haba naman. Kill me.
Ulit tayo. Dapat may chapter 3 na nila eh.
Oo nga.
Lagot ka talaga kay Yana kapag sinabi natin na delete mo yung edit.
Ano, sabihin ko na lang oh yeah, bibigay, sasabihin ko na lang yung truth. Open ba si Yana?
Mamaya pa siya mga 6 p.m.
Ay, gago.
Tulog pa ata eh. Puyat yan si Yana eh.
Gising ko ba siya?
Okay, wag. Nandun yung parents niya.
Ay.
Lagi kasama niya yung parents niya.
Natutulog yung parents niya sa kanya? Kasali?
Yung tama tsaka papa niya, sa kabilang room. Siya, tsaka yung ate niya, tsaka yung ibang member.
Oh.
Uy, first time dito ako sa kabila.
Ay, gagawin?
Oo.
Wow! Diyan ka na.
Oo nga. Let us go, bitch!
3, 2, 1. Go, bitches. Go.
Bitch, let us out!
Hintay ka lang!
Bitch, please let us out, bitch. That's good, thank you!
Uy, gago ka?
Oh, ano ginawa ko?
Ikaw yun, nabuksan ko na agad eh.
Pangina ka, be.
Uy, ikaw din.
O gago ka.
Uy, wala ako nasabi bad word.
Buksan mo! Yan na siya. Putang ina mo, gago ka.
Grabe, si sensor ko talaga yung lahat. Ah!
Oo talaga, kaya nga ginagumura ako. Gusto ko may tut-tut.
Yung pala, tut-tut-tut, tut-tut.
Wait lang, kakagat lang ako. I am hungry. Wait lang.
Guys, we're gonna speedrun this. Oh no! Nobody did click licking your ass. That I would say. Ah!
Jagan si Adi daw, tingnan mo. Okay guys. Ay, tangin na.
Wow! No, grabe naman yung weight mo, be. Bigla mo na, ano. Ba 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 na 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 na.
Teleport naman yun eh.
Oo nga. Guys, we're gonna speedrun this. Sorry for no entertainment. Because I accidentally deleted the footage. Ay! Na-end yung call. Bakit nawala ang ano? Wi-Fi. Nawala yung Wi-Fi niya.